Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Mazda Miata 2017, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lift the car with a fork jack, which is this kind of jack that we're looking right now. So first of all, I want to tell you something. The thing is that when you lift the car from the rear side, because this car is rear wheel drive, you will lose the parking effect. So the car is gonna tip over back and forth. So basically, to avoid this effect, I just put a wood block right here just to block the car to tip backwards. And here in the front wheel, I have also like a parking target that's gonna keep the car in its place, so I'm not gonna have the tip over effect. Okay, so coming back, I'm going to show you here where do you have to place the jack to protect your car and the integrity of the structure. You're gonna come this way. So underneath the car is located this pinch wheel. You're gonna look right here next to the rear wheel. It has like two indentations right here, you will see. And when you come over from the other side of the indentations, you're gonna see like a bulgings right here, 1 and 2. So this is basically a kind of reinforced beam, so you can support your car from there. You're gonna take your jack and you're gonna lift it right in between these two indents that you see here, and you're gonna place a slot right in between the jack. So once you're supporting it right there, you're gonna see that the jack in this side is supported by the bulgings right here. You see? Alright, so you just place it on the right place, and then you can lift the car. You're gonna start lifting it. So now you can start lifting the car properly, as you see. And this is it, guys. As you see, we just lift up the car. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.